The time is coming. Time to organize. Time to gather. It's time to be heard. In 2021, Auto Value is heading to the nation's capital. Are you ready? Because we are. Our voice matters. Join us as we let our nation's leaders know where we stand. We're fighting to put car data back where it belongs, in the hands of car owners. We're fighting for our shops, for the technician's right to repair. In 2021, we will take this fight to the hill. Our warehouses, our stores, our shops. Together, we'll make a difference. As friends, as family, as an alliance. Let's bring our voice to Washington.